Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a website on Adobe XD. First, launch Adobe XD and choose a web artboard preset, such as Web 1920 or Web 1366, to begin your project. Next, outline your website structure and user journey, perhaps with a sitemap. Finally, create a foundational design system, selecting your primary and secondary colors, and defining your typography for a cohesive look across all pages. Now, let's dive into designing your page layouts. Use Adobe XD's powerful grid system to ensure your designs are organized and responsive across different screen sizes. Develop reusable components for common elements like headers, footers, and interactive buttons. This saves a significant amount of time. Leverage the repeat grid feature to quickly populate sections with similar content, such as product listings or blog posts, maintaining consistency effortlessly. With your designs in place, it's time to bring them to life with interactivity. Switch to prototype mode and connect your artboards to simulate the user's journey through your website. Implement engaging micro-interactions and subtle animations for elements like hover states or button clicks, making the experience more dynamic. Finally, test your prototype on different devices, including mobile and desktop, to ensure a smooth and intuitive user experience. The final step involves sharing your work and preparing for development. Share your interactive prototype with clients or team members to gather valuable feedback and make any necessary revisions. Then, generate detailed design specifications, including measurements, colors, and fonts, for your development team. Export all necessary assets, such as images and icons, and provide design tokens to ensure a seamless handoff and accurate implementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.